Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is my grocery haul video. So I'll be showing you what I bought for this month, and we are going to start from this month for what I bought from the supermarket. We always shop at Naivas Supermarket. So for what we bought was this baking flour. We bought 3 packets. In here we really love baking and chapatis. That's why we bought 3 packets. I also bought bio yogurt, this one. For my bio yogurt, I'm going to use this one to make my own yogurt, my homemade yogurt, and I will be using bio yogurt as my culture. So the next thing that I bought were those chocolates. Chocolates. We have vanilla essence right here. We have chicken masala. So guys, remember in my previous video I mentioned that I don't buy spices from the supermarket. So today I had gone to buy spices, but I did not get chicken masala from the shop that I always buy. So I had to go buy in the supermarket the chicken masala, although I got the others that I was to buy. That is pilau masala and curry powder, 100 grams, each was going for 100. So the next thing that we bought was Cerelac. This breakfast Cerelac and lots of Weetabix packets with different flavors for my baby's breakfast. The other thing that we bought were these coconut cream. We bought 2. And right here I also have oat flour. This for porridge, for my baby's porridge. So the other thing that I bought was this oat flour. And right here I also bought Recom Chuzi mix. I went for the one that had an offer, buy one get one, not buy one get one free, but for these 2 was going for $1.99, which was favorable. And then we have Zesta right here. The next thing is we have these toilet papers. We bought the Naivas ones. And right here we have some corn. This one we bought. Right here. And then right here we have some carrots, and we bought these carrots from the supermarket because nowadays buying carrots from the market is a bit expensive, and this was 1 kg from the supermarket, and it's more compared to buying from the market, local market. And right here we have, and the other thing that we bought were these bananas. We also bought the bananas from the supermarket. We also bought, and they were going, the bananas from the supermarket, and this bunch was going for 80 bob. The other thing that we bought were these corn from the market. And the last thing that we bought from the supermarket was this passion soda. And this is all that we bought from the supermarket. right from this side, except for the spices, for these two spices. And then that's all that we bought the supermarket. Then from here the corn we bought at the market. Then we also bought matumbo. So for today we did not make to buy meat. So we'll be going back to the market to buy beef and also minced meat. So what we managed to buy today were just the trips or matumbo. Yeah, and this was 1 kg for matumbo. I think it's going for 200 to 40. The other thing that we bought from the market was this mishiri, and they were going for, we bought for 50 bob. It's always our range. We always buy 50 bob each month. So I have already packed them. Yeah, so these two was going for 50 bob, the mishiris. And right here we have several things. We bought some tangerine. We also bought some oranges. Yeah, and right here we have some pilipili hoho, capsicums, and we also bought ginger. We still have last month ginger, so we bought that one. We have garlic right here. We bought two of them. And for the avocados, if you have watched my last videos, you will see that we really love avocados in our house. And for these avocados we bought 320, and they are unripe, so that was a good purchase. That was a good deal, buying 320 for such big avocados. And the other thing that we bought were these banana plantains. We bought those. We also bought ndomas right here. And what else is in here? And right here I have tomatoes. So I will be putting these tomatoes in the fridge, and the rest that are in here hazijaiva vizuri, so I'll let them iva and then put them in the fridge. But for these zenye zimeiva ndo nitaweka kwa fridge. The next thing that we bought was these onions. We bought for 300. Our budget was 300. And ziko mingi, they are a lot. That was a good deal for the onions. The other thing that we bought was yellow beans. We have yellow beans 2 kg. We have cabbage. With cabbage we always make salads, and also we steam cabbage. And the other thing that we bought were these danias or coriander. Yes, that's what we bought. The dania. And also right here I have some spinach right here. We bought spinach and skuma from the supermarket. We bought spinach 2 bunches from the supermarket. It was going for 35 bob. So nowadays we prefer buying the greens from the supermarket, because out in the market sometimes you get them fresh, sometimes they are not fresh. So now we decided to be buying the greens from the supermarket, which are always fresh. The other thing that we bought was milk. Yes, and guys, I forgot to mention that we bought milk from the supermarket. We bought 4 liters. So for these 2 liters, I will be making yogurt for these 2 liters, and the rest 2 liters I'll be using it for either baking for the baby or anything that needs milk. Yeah, so as you can see, nilikuwa nimefungua already. I was cooking something. And the other thing that I forgot to mention is I also bought mozzarella cheese. Yeah, so I also bought mozzarella cheese for making pizza. Yeah, so that's what we bought. And right here I have potatoes. For potatoes, we are going for 500 for this bucket, which was affordable, and they are big. As you can see, they are very huge and ziko mingi, like bado kuna zingine zimebaki. So that was a good deal. I think potatoes zimeshuka. Yeah, so guys, that's all we bought for our grocery haul. Yeah, so that's all that we bought for today. If you like the video, kindly give it a thumbs up, and if you are new, please subscribe, and remember to binge watch my videos. Yeah, so, and don't forget to like the video. Liking my video will help me with the YouTube algorithm, and that will be a big help from you guys. Thank you for always consuming my content. Bye bye guys, see you in the next video.